Discover the top acute lymphocytic leukemia, all treatments in India, including types, procedures, costs, success rates, and inspiring success stories. Uncover the best healthcare options for combating all with this comprehensive guide. Acute lymphocytic leukemia, all, is a challenging disease that requires specialized treatment and care. In recent years, India has emerged as a hub for advanced medical treatments, including cutting-edge therapies for all. Let's delve into the world of all treatment in India, exploring the types, procedures, costs, success rates, and heartwarming success stories that shine a light on the remarkable advancements in the healthcare industry. Understanding acute lymphocytic leukemia, all. Before we delve into the treatment options, let's first understand what all is. All is a type of cancer that affects the blood and bone marrow. It is characterized by the rapid production of abnormal white blood cells, which crowd out normal blood cells. The condition can be challenging to treat, requiring a multidisciplinary approach for optimal outcomes. Types of treatment for acute lymphocytic leukemia. In India, patients with all have access to a wide range of treatment options tailored to their specific needs. Some of the common types of treatment for all include chemotherapy, the cornerstone of all treatment. Chemotherapy uses powerful drugs to kill cancer cells. Radiation therapy. In some cases, radiation therapy may be used to target and destroy cancer cells. Stem cell transplant. A stem cell transplant may be recommended for patients with high risk all to replace diseased bone marrow with healthy stem cells. Targeted therapy. Targeted therapies work by targeting specific molecules involved in the growth of cancer cells. Immunotherapy. Immunotherapy harnesses the power of the immune system to target and destroy cancer cells. Procedures and techniques used in all treatment. The treatment of all in India involves a comprehensive approach, combining various procedures and techniques to achieve the best outcomes. Some of the key procedures and techniques used in all treatment include bone marrow aspiration and biopsy. These procedures help in diagnosing all and monitoring the response to treatment. Intrathecal chemotherapy. To prevent the spread of cancer to the brain and spinal cord, intrathecal chemotherapy may be administered. Blood transfusions. Patients may require blood transfusions to manage low blood cell counts caused by all treatment. Minimal residual disease testing. This advanced technique helps in detecting small amounts of leukemia cells that may remain after treatment. Costs of all treatment in India. One of the advantages of seeking all treatment in India is the relatively lower costs compared to many Western countries. The cost of all treatment in India can vary depending on various factors, including the stage of the disease, the type of treatment required, and the hospital chosen. On average, the cost of all treatment in India can range from $10,000 to $35,000, making it a cost-effective option for international patients seeking high-quality care. Success rates in all treatment. India boasts impressive success rates in all treatment thanks to the availability of advanced technologies, skilled healthcare professionals, and multidisciplinary care teams. The success rates for all treatment in India can vary depending on several factors, including the stage of the disease, the patient's overall health, and the type of treatment received. On average, the 5-year survival rate for all in India ranges from 60% to 85%, showcasing the remarkable progress in the field of oncology. Real-life success stories. Behind every statistic, there are real-life success stories that highlight the transformative power of all treatment in India. One such story is that of 10-year-old Sanda from Kenya, who was diagnosed with high-risk all. Through a combination of chemotherapy and a successful stem cell transplant, Sanda is now in remission and enjoying a healthy childhood thanks to the dedicated team of healthcare professionals in India. Another inspiring story is that of 35-year-old Martina from Zimbabwe, who underwent targeted therapy for her relapsed all. With the personalized approach to treatment and unwavering support from her medical team, Martina is now cancer-free and advocating for awareness about all treatment options in India. In conclusion, the realm of all treatment in India is marked by innovation, compassion, and remarkable success stories that underscore the transformative impact of cutting-edge therapies. With a patient-centric approach, a skilled workforce, and a commitment to excellence, India continues to be a beacon of hope for patients seeking world-class all treatment. Thank you for watching. Please visit www.wellnessdestinationindia.com for more information.